Simla largil masal
Simla dunga moder ahani modulla kirtan Simla dunga moder ahani modulla kirtan
Yanna yetin samna mala pujes nida Oti shaldo debo
shahara shari tonani ni ma shatina shahara shari tonani ma shasum shatina shahara shari tonani ma sharat ne she zang wi tang ge po ta te la sharat ye ye ne shin zang wi u la te la sharat ne she zang wi tang ge po ta te la sharat
रुमाला प्यार निशानी तेरा रुमाला से लड़ूंगा हाथा रुमाला प्यार निशानी तेरा रुमाला से लड़ूंगा
मेरा रुमाला प्यार निशानी तेरा रुमाला से लड़ूंगा मेरा रुमाला प्यार निशानी तेरा रुमाला से लड़ूंगा
Students bunk their classes. Some employees miss their office for the preparation of Zamsar 2014.
We would like to thank all the panel members, active members and all those who were involved in making this event successful directly or indirectly, ignoring their personal and professional priorities.
As you all know, organizing such an event in Delhi was not at all easy, and we were all well aware of this fact.
This event demanded a lot of dedication, time, effort and cooperation, which we received positively from each one of you. So for that, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
कहते हैं किसी भी चीज को शुरू करने से पहले उस खुदा को याद कर लेना चाहिए। अब हम मंच पर बुलाना चाहते हैं मुख्य अतिथि His Excellency Lonchen Tulku Rinpoche ji.
I would like to ask President and Vice President to escort His Holiness on the stage. And all the guest members, please, guest callers, please come on the stage to light the lamp. Mr. Ravi Thakur, MLA Lahore and Spiti, Vice Chairman, National Commission for Student Rights. Mr. Ashok Thakur, IAS, Principal Secretary, Higher Education Department. Reverend Mr. Dashi Nangal, Director, Arts and Society, Spiti. Mr. Therin Targe, retired IAS officer. And Mrs. Therin Kyolma, Director, Tibetan Youth Hostel. Please, Mr. Selim Scotcher to the stage.
Our chief guest, the most venerable T.K. Lochin Tulku Rinpoche, other dignitaries and everyone present today, a very warm welcome and jubilee to all. For me, it's an honor to be standing here and throwing some light on life of His Eminence, the Tenzin Kelsang Rinchen Lochin Tulku Rinpoche. He is postgraduate in Sutra, Tantra and Philosophy from Institute of Buddhist Dialectics, Dharamsala and other monastic universities. He has also received an intensive and large number of instructions on both Sutra and Tantra from Holiness the Dalai Lama and from most respected and practiced master, His Eminence the Lote Rinpoche. He is highly revered by the Himalayan people as a spiritual leader, teacher, guide and philosopher. He is born in Shalkar village, a village in Kinnaur district. He is spiritual head and director of key monastery in Spiti. He has more than thousands of followers worldwide. He served the government of India as a member of National Commission for Minorities. He is the 19th reincarnation of great translator Gen Losar Rinchen Zangpo, who was one of the greatest scholars, artists of century from the Tibet. Rinchen Zangpo is believed to be emanation of Buddha Sakyamuni. The Buddha once stated that he will come to Himalayas in future at a certain place who will be a bird-faced monk. An emanation of Muni named Ratna, Rinchen or the Precious. I feel we are very lucky that we are living in the same era as His Eminence the T.K. Lochin Rinpoche, and may Buddha bless him and may he live long. Thank you.
तक रेगिस्तान से फैली जमीन और ठुक से खड़े पहाड़ों के बीच बसी ये छोटी सी घाटी लाहौर स्पीति.
Rising into the hills, we find a mosaic of broad-leafed mountains and forests which makes this place more heavenly and more closer to Mother Nature. Not only geographically, but our district is also secluded from the rest of the state, culturally and traditionally, and today we have gathered here to show you a glimpse of our rich and culture.
6 महीने बर्फबारी में जब घाटी बर्फ की चादर से कैद हो जाती है तो जीना दूभर हो जाता है. सदियों से अच्छे अस्पतालों और डॉक्टरों की कमी के कारण लोगों को अपने स्वास्थ्य संबंधी समस्याओं से रूबरू होना पड़ता है. इन तमाम भौगोलिक विषमताओं का यहाँ के लोगों ने डटकर सामना किया है.
In spite of all these geographic and climatic hardships and barriers, our natives have not forgotten their culture and customs. Nowadays, our people are well aware of modernization and materialistic world, but still the people of Lahore Spiti believe in retaining their culture and tradition with a heart full of purity and love. Now, not wasting any more time, I would like to invite our friend, our co-host and a very talented writer, speaker, Mr. Vikram Kutoj from Tandi, Lahore. चलो विक्रम, आज के इवेंट की शुरुआत तुमसे करते हैं. Please set the ball rolling.
तो पहली कविता है तुम्हारी जेब में एक सूरज होता था. ये कविताएं लाहौर के ऊपर बेस्ड हैं और लाहौर से ही निकली हुई हैं. तो कविता का शीर्षक है तुम्हारी जेब में एक सूरज होता था. तुम्हारी जेबों में टटोलने हैं मुझे दुनिया के तमाम खजाने, सूखी हुई खुबानियाँ, बुने हुए जौ के दाने, काठ की एक चपटी कंघी और सीप की फुलियाँ, सूंघ सकता हूँ गंध एक सस्ते साबुन की आज भी मैं तुम्हारी छाती से चिपका, तुम्हारी देह को ताकता, एक छोटा बच्चा हूँ माँ, मुझे जल्दी से बड़ा हो जाने दे। मुझे कहना है दुबली लड़की की कातर आंखों को धन्यवाद, मूंगफली छिलती गिलहरी की नन्ही पिलपिली उंगलियों को, दो तो हाथ करने हैं मुझे नदी की एक बनेदी लहर से, आंख से आंख मिलानी है शैतान हवा के एक शैतान झोंके से, मुझे तुम्हारी सबसे भीतर वाली जेब से चुराना है एक दहकता हुआ सूरज और भाग कर गुम हो जाना है तुम्हारी अंधेरी दुनिया में एक फरिश्ते की तरह, जहाँ औंधे मुँह बेसुध पड़ी हैं तुम्हारी अनगिनत सखियाँ, मेरे बेशुमार दोस्त हाथ फैलाए खड़े हैं, कोई खबर नहीं है जिनको कि कौन सा पहर अभी चल रहा है और कौन गुजर गया है अभी अभी। सौंपना है माँ उन्हें उनका अपना सपना, लौटाना है उन्हें उनकी गुलाबी अमानत, सहेज कर रखा हुआ है जो तुमने बड़ी हिफाजत से अपनी भीतर वाली जेब में। निरामिश जो कि शेड्यूल ट्राइब के ऊपर ही लिखी गई है संकटग्रस्त प्रजातियों के लिए। बहुत कम रह गए हैं बस गिनती के, खरगोश, हिरनोटे और मेमने, आओ हम इस गुफा में मिलजुल कर रहें। नाराज वक्त ने छोड़ दिए हैं हमारे पीछे बग्घे और बिलाव, इस अंधेरे में हम धीरज से अपनी संवेदनाएं परोसें चुपचाप। व्यर्थ है धारने की कोशिश, बेमानी है विरोध, बजाय नए पंजों की मांग रखने की आओ अपने उपलब्ध खुरों से सवारें, मुलायम रोएं, मेहनत करें, घास जुटाएं जिंदा रहने के लिए, और देखना एक दिन खूब रोशनी होगी और हरियाली हरियाली केवल हम सब के लिए। ये आखिरी कविता आप सब लोगों के लिए, सभी एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए, नई धार लिए काम पर लौटना। दोस्तों हम यहाँ इसीलिए आए हैं कि काम की जगहों पर रोजमर्रा की झंझटों में चूक जाते हैं हम, खींचने लगती है चीख, बुझने लगती है आग, होतरा जाती है सोच, भूल जाते हैं हम कि कोई रोता था और हमसे सहा ना गया था, और खड़े हो गए थे उसके पक्ष में कि काम की जगहों पर याद नहीं रह पाता कि हमें खड़े ही रहना था। दोस्तों हमें यहाँ आते रहना चाहिए इस या उस बहाने, और करते रहना चाहिए एक दूसरे को रिचार्ज, कि कितना अच्छा लगता है नई चीख, नई आग और नई धार लिए काम पर लौटना। तो मैं यही आशा करता हूँ आप लोग एक नई एनर्जी लेकर यहाँ से जाएंगे, आगे आने वाले गेट टुगेदर्स को सपोर्ट करेंगे।
PT Culture Association 2014, Ms. Pema Dolkar to come on the stage and address you.
Jule and Tashit elect to all, His Eminence the D.K. Lochin Tulku Rinpoche, the guest of honors, the dignitaries of the various fields present over here, and everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. For me, it's a matter of great pleasure to be presenting you in front of LSCA, Lahore Spiti Culture Association. The name in itself is enough to define its objective. The main purpose of this association is to promote our vivid, varied and unique identity. So, Zomsa the get-together is an integral part of it. Today, we are consistently trying to follow the footsteps of our seniors who, under the guidance of Mr. Palvin Ji, showed this association a new horizon. Our level best, and tomorrow I believe our juniors will also try to do the same or even more better. The huge gather today could not have been possible without the help and support of you people. So I congratulate you all and welcome you all. Thank you so much.
I'm sure that this beautiful performance and extreme hard work put in by the dancers will surely entertain you. So sit back and enjoy while they take you to the Valley Beautiful.
rich culture and friendly and amiable nature of the people.
भले ही लद्दाख लाहौल स्पीति से दूर हो, पर उनकी संस्कृति और सभ्यता हमारे उतने ही करीब है।
It's time we take you to this beautiful place with the help of our dear Ladakhi friends from Ladakh Student Welfare Association. Let's give them a warm and loving welcome.
together, they really do work hard. So I would like to dedicate this song to all of them.
कल्चर एसोसिएशन 2014 के पैनल मेंबर से जिनके हार्डवर्क और कंट्रीब्यूशन के बिना ये इवेंट सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाता। सो आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम ऑन स्टेज मिस पेमा डोलकर, द प्रेसिडेंट फ्रॉम माली, मिस रुचि गेलॉन्ग, द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट फ्रॉम दिल्ली, द ट्रेजरर टेम्फर फ्रॉम धनकर, General Secretary Tendra Mirpal from Shashin, Joint Secretary Raman Sharma from Shansha, Cultural Secretary Ms. Hinne Zan young film. Mr. Kendra Sharaf. Mr. Yeshe. Mr. Vikram Katoch. Mr. Sunny Anand. And last but definitely not least, Mr. Sameer Sharma. And Mr. Vikram Singh Katoch. Please give them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much for making this event successful. Music and dance has always been an important and inseparable part of any culture.
Now we have some beautiful Piti girls presenting in front of you a tremendous fusion of various cultures, music and dance. We are sure that they are going to amaze you with their awestruck performance. So let's give them a huge round of applause.
प्रोग्राम की पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है। Now I would like to call on stage His Holiness T.K. Lochen Tulku ji. Please come on stage and bless us with kind words.
Honorable MLA of Laos and a member of the State Commission, Government of India, Mr. Ravi Thakur, distinguished other guests, brothers and sisters. I'm very happy to be here with all of you from Laos Spiti district, and I would like to congratulate Laos Spiti Association Delhi, who organized this wonderful, remarkable event today, and we all enjoyed so far, and we are going to enjoy further in the coming hours. And also I would like to thank Madam Director of this institution to let us celebrate in this wonderful hall. Thank you very much. And then I think I should not take much of your time. There's not much I can tell you today. And from district Laos Spiti district, the Lahore and Spiti, we have been in one district for many years now. I believe since at least since independence of this country. And we have been in one district, and our culture background is more or less the same. And so this kind of event strengthens the life of our culture, which is very important for all of us. I would like to emphasize that all of us should think about our culture, how to preserve it, how to promote it, how to protect our culture. And this is very important. If our culture doesn't exist, then we don't exist. Our existence is totally dependent on our culture. So now how to preserve our culture and how to protect our culture? So that is the main cause or the base to protect our culture. What I believe personally is our language. It is very important to preserve the Lahori language or Spiti language, dialect or whatever it is. So therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to tell you that we have been talking about body language since over 28 years. And that applies to whole Himalaya region, not only Lahore and Spiti, but Kinnaur, Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and North, West Bengal, some part of West Bengal. So we all speak about body language. So why I wanted to mention this, because there are such association, Lao Spiti Association or Students Association. It is important, the youngsters, you should know about your dialect and your language. Today we are using foreign language to communicate each other, you know. So it is not very fun, but we have no choice. We have to use that to communicate each other. So therefore it is very important to protect our language. So therefore, all the youngsters and of course other people in their own capacity, we all must work for body language, body language, not body language, body language. You know, body language, which is root of our dialect. So then I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you, and then Mr. Ravi Thakur, the Honorable MLA and the Vice Chairman ST Commission, he is in the government and his government is in power, so I'm sure he is doing his best and he will do his best to get our language recognized by the Constitution of India. So today we are gathered here, and now we must enjoy, you must feel the joy in the company of one another. That is very important. We are from same area, we are from same culture background, and we must feel happy. We shouldn't feel jealousy, hatred, anger, all these kind of emotions we must forget. And we come together. And together, if we are together, we can do everything for our area. There is no impossible word in the dictionary for us. But if we are not together, then every negative thing can happen to our community. And the deteriorating of our culture, our tradition, that will also appear. So please be careful with that and enjoy ourselves and be happy with each other, and that is very important what I feel. And then at the end I would like to wish that association and all the people here a great success in the future, to promote ourselves, the whole ourselves. You know, but it is very important. In the plain area, like Delhi and other places of our country, many people, they don't recognize us as Indians. You know, they think we are foreigners. And they consider we are foreigners. And we must make them realize that we are Indians. And together we can make it. And we must make it. So that point I wanted to, because so many officers are here, so you have a lot of capacity to contribute towards this. And also you interact with a lot of different students from all. You can communicate them, you can tell them the existence of the whole Spiti and other Himalayan region. That is quite important, and you can do so. And at the end, I would like to dedicate and make a prayer. And please join me in this prayer. You may not be able to join me in words, but in thought, please join me. First of all, I would like to pray for long life for His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And then I would like to pray for body mind. Then I would like to pray for Antinous Shunada, which is the key for liberation, nirvana. That is long life for His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And then, now, body mind, the precious body mind, which are yet to be born. Which are already born may increase. So please keep this in your mind, in your thought. Then we pray for Srinada. The Srinada is emptiness, that is the ultimate truth according to Buddhist philosophy. And existence come out from this nature. So it is the ultimate truth, and we must extract the power, energy from this ultimate truth. When we be able to extract the power, energy from this ultimate truth, then we will get all that we wish for, and all kinds of suffering will cease. So for that, I would like to make this prayer. So I would like to take the energy, or I would like to extract the auspicious energy from emptiness, which was never born and never cease, which never cease, and it is in the nature of space, and it is not conceivable, it is inconceivable, it is inexpressible, and it is the mother of all the Buddhas, the past Buddhas, present Buddhas, and future Buddhas. I would like to pay homage to this, this great mother. Masama